What's good, y'all? It's your boy RGB Fam, and I'm back again with another video, y'all. As y'all can see by today's title, we are doing a monkey prank getting ahead. You feel me? This is all for entertainment purposes. It's my sweater. There's nobody in here, chat. Alright? There is nobody in this. We just gonna do this to get some reactions. If y'all new, please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let's run it up. So I'm on.
Just what I say some.
If I want to make some money.
We not trying to shoot it, bro. It makes sense.
It's been going on for a long time.
Oh, 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 oh my God, he jerking his meat.
Let's get.
Bro, what up, bro? Camping, bro. What is that?
Okay, he kind of fine.
What's that?
Oh my God, never mind.
What's going on?
Are you like one of those like guys who live stream? You're getting head, bruh.
Fuck.
I know dang well you're capping. That's not a girl.
I'm playing. I'm just trolling, motherfuckers. I wouldn't do it, bro. It's literally my sweater and some shirts in here. I would never do that because there's actually kids on this app. But
Yeah.
y'all stay blessed.
Nobody out know. Nobody knows. I put him on the low.
Ooh, I love arguing with little kids. It's so much fun.
Yeah.
You like fucking dick?
Whoa, what the fuck?
If I do get flashed, I'm gonna start crying.
Oh, fuck.
So mean. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. Oh, he was gonna compliment me. And I thought he was.
Y'all need to talk about it. Y'all met a minute. Like some fucking minute. I wanna see it. But he got try. Ooh, you're baddie. Okay.
This nigga.
You gay as fuck.
Wait, I'll show you someone. I know this face.
What'd you say?
I know your face. I'll show you someone.
Where you see me from?
Bro, I already saw you like in the streets, on the internet, or in the fields.
It's in the internet, cause we're not even in the same country, my guy.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see.
He did see. Dude, that's why they stopped and they looked. Because her whole fucking titty was out. Like, alright, this looking great. What are you doing, my boy? Oh, yeah, you're a.
Yo, you get
Hotel.
Yeah, you want cookie?
Yo, what's good, nigga? What's up with you, Jit?
I'm fucking dead.
you funny as hell,
Bro,
bro.
y'all niggas
You
what's
know what?
going on
I'm
with
glad
that
I didn't
Draco?
have no kids. It be kids like that that just be killing my baby fever.
Hey, you go off the coochie?
Nigga, where your mom at, nigga? Hey, nigga, where your mom at, nigga?
What?
Nigga,
Nigga, I'm the same. Yeah.
his ass retarded.
Hey, you gonna
Where's
let me
your
roll
mama
in that
at, bro?
Bro, shut the fuck up,
Where's your
Jay.
mama at, bro?
This nigga retarded. He say something.
Oh, hell no.
Hey, manda know what that? That shit's fake as a.
Yo.
Are you getting head?
What's up with you? So you actually sit here and watch someone get head?
No.
I caught you in 4K. Who? I caught you in 4K. Oh, you wondering who? Him. I caught him in 4K.
Oh.
What you? No.
What?
You would, because you sat there and literally watched the whole thing. What you mean, no?
No.
You a lying ass shorty.
What's up, ninja?
Ninja.
Oh, nigger.
White cracker.
I'm not white.
White piece of shit.
No, he's so white.
He's not black. He's white.
I'm not white.
Shut the fuck up.
He's
I'm
so
not
white.
white. I'm not white.
He's so white, dude. No, he's like white as fuck.
Shut your white ass up. I didn't tell you to speak.
He's lying. He's so white.
I'm not talking to you.
Who's this guy?
Y'all have a good night, though.
Where the fuck are you doing, bro? Oh, you getting head on live?
No.
Yeah, he's pushing a head.
Bro,
down.
he's not pushing away. It's a prank.
It's a prank.
She's smart. You actually believed it. Why would I do that? Let's be honest, man. Come on now. That's crazy.
But probably just is something.
Nah, I'm not. I do my shit in private. I would never. No, that's crazy. But y'all have a good night. Take care. Y'all beautiful, by the way.
Nasty.